New link news. Neighbors forcing me out of my house. Elderly woman says residents are demon possessed. After spending the last 18 years to build her dream home, Mary Brown has been living a difficult life. The 88-year-old returning resident claims that she is being haunted by persons in her community and she believes they are even plotting to kill her. These people are even trying to poison my system. They started off by throwing rubbish in my yard. I called the police and they told me to read a book and go to bed. I couldn't because these people keep on coming to my window and making funny and really weird sounds at night, she said. Brown, who lives alone in an upscale area in central Jamaica, said that the persons in her community have been terrorizing her for more than a year. They burnt tires on my property and some other chemicals because when I wake up at nights, my eyes and nose are runny and there is a blockage in my throat. I have to be throwing away my food because they have access to my food. I called the police again and they brought me a new set of locks, but they still get in, she said. According to Brown, she believes that the persons who are tormenting her are demon possessed and just want to take over her two-story home. She added that she sometimes gets nauseous after eating the affected food but refuses to visit a doctor as they may just recommended that she sees a psychiatrist. They make really funny sounds. They go like dogs and other animals. They even act like birds sometimes. They behave like they are demon possessed. They wear full black and sometimes red and wear hooded clothing. I am not a mad woman. There are noises even in the roof, she said. The elderly woman stated that the community members are still gaining full access to her property, although she secures her home with a popular security company. They just want my house. I live alone because my children are abroad. My children want me to sell the house and come and live with them. But I can't do that because I work so hard to build it. People will think I am delusional because I am an old. But that is not the case. I am quite aware of what's going on around me, Brown added. So, wow. This one is a really, really tough story, people. As you can see. Because I don't even know what to think. But I give my view, right? If this lady is telling the truth, right, about whatever she's saying happening to her in our community, honestly, it is wrong. If someone is really doing that to an 88-year-old woman, for what reasons, I don't know. But I cannot say why they will do that because no one can just go and take over someone's property like that. And in a next sense, if I would say this now, right away, for me, most likely, I would think that something delusional is really going on there. Because, you know, someone could really be in their mind to be going to someone's house because she is 88-year-old trying to plague her, making sounds like dogs, sound like animals, sound like, you understand? Just to what, as she said, take over her house. I don't know for what reason they will do that. I really don't know. But the police, they must know what's going on. She said she has security all over there. Remember, you know, she has a security team there. So what could really be causing that? To be honest, I think there's a demon. But that demon that is there is not a human being. So I think, Miss Mary, what you need to do is go to a popular church, get one of those popular pastor you know, or one of those popular revivalists and let they come to your house and see what's going on there. Because I think if something is really going on there, in that case, they need to really find out what's going on. And if they do come there and they can't find a problem in that way, I think what you need to do is really see a psychiatrist to see if something else is going on inside of you. Because to me, this story is really, 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 really shaky. You understand? And for me, New Link and the team, it is really, really shaky. And I know my viewers and my subscribers out there hearing a story like this, they don't know what to think about this right now. And there are going to be a lot of different thoughts in their head and a lot of different thinking. But honestly, it is real. So, viewers and subscribers, this is New Link from where? New Link Production. And all we can say is what? Attack New Link. Miss Mary, we hope and we wish for you the best. This is New Link. Big up people, enough love and respect all over, wherever you are. Big up, whether you're in Canada, England, the whole of Germany, big up. Because you know, we have lost and we are out of the World Cup, but we want to say all my German fans, we still stand strong, we still stand.